Shiba Inu. Am I worried? Are you worried? That's the question we're going to answer in this video. As always, thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe, drop a like, tell the algorithm that we're here. Let's spread the word. Okay, so am I worried? Right now, crypto is down 3%. This is all having to do with an event that happened yesterday. A crypto bank basically come out and saying that they're basically insolvent or they're having some issues, all that kind of stuff. It has not a specific Shiba Inu scenario, but that is creating some fear and uncertainty. That event I just said about the bank, the crypto bank, it's creating a certain amount of obviously unease and angst. That's my word recently, specifically around crypto. And I think that's basically the major event that has moved us down, that is moving crypto down 3+%. It's pushed Bitcoin down 22.4, Ethereum down to 1,500, and it's pushed Shiba down about 4.5% down into that 4.01133 range. Am I worried? The short answer is no. I'm not worried at all. I've been around this block specifically for Shiba Inu every day since May of 2021. Yep, you heard me right. Every day I've done at least 1 or 8 Shiba Inu videos. Those of you guys have been watching me while, you'll get that joke. I'm not worried. I really am truly not. I mean, Shib is massive. It has a market cap of just under $7 billion. It is a top crypto. It's not going anywhere. It has a massive community, millions of holders. If you count DEX and centralized exchanges, all the holder base added together, active ecosystem being developed, all that kind of stuff. No, I am not worried. I am truly not. Now, if you are, you need to ask yourself, why are you worried? Are you worried because of this short-term dip? Are you worried about, Shiba Inu itself? Again, I'm not giving you advice. This is just an entertainment video purposes only, right? That's my disclaimer, if you will. And I'm not worried. No, I mean, Shib is got massive liquidity pools. It's got 125 plus exchanges globally. It's available everywhere. The coming Shibarium, metaverse coming, all of that adds up to the fact that I'm not worried. And this is an opportunity. If you really want to call it what it is, this is an opportunity to buy the proverbial dip. If you were thinking about adding to your bag or getting in, again, not telling you what to do what's right for you, right? Of course. But no, I'm not worried. Are you worried? If you are, you need to ask yourself and look at, why are you worried? If you are worried, do you have a plan? What is your plan? What's your profit plan for Shiba Inu? What's your profit plan for all of your coins and all of your tokens that you own? That's how I stay not worried, if you will. I have a plan. And I view these things like this scenario playing out today now as short-term road bumps. And by the way, I've mentioned this in a bunch of videos. I think that this could go lower. I think that Shib could drop into the, the 4 zeros, 1-0 range, right? Lose this. I even think it's possible that we could drop a 0, go down into 5 zeros in the high 9s, not because of anything specific to Shib or issues with Shiba Inu. This isn't because of the overall market conditions. Because I think, again, I've said this in previous videos, I think that number, I think Bitcoin could go to 20,000. If Bitcoin drops to another $2,400 in this example, you are absolutely going to see all of your major coins and tokens that you own drop even more, which to me is a glass half full kind of scenario. I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to add to my proverbial bags. I'm looking to expand to my positions, buy on the proverbial dip, buy on the red days. I realize it's hard to do, but that's how you really should do it. And that's how money is made in crypto and in stocks, for that matter. I'm not worried. That's all I got for you right now. Thanks for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.